Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Atar Mirza, matrix number 309112. Today I will be diving into one of most fundamental and mind-bending branches of philosophy, metaphysics, covered in chapter 5. So metaphysics is fundamental nature of reality and existence, or the study of being. The word itself comes from the Greek metaphysik, meaning after the thing to nature or things that go beyond physics. Metaphysics seeks to understand things that are outside the scope of empirical science, things like mind, substance, cause and effect, time, and space. Metaphysics attempt to answer the biggest question that science often cannot address, such as does God exist? Is time linear? Or is it an illusion? Do we possess genuine free will, or is everything predetermined? In many ways, it is the foundation upon which all the other philosophical and scientific inquiries are built. Our understanding of reality dictates how we live, how we create ethics, and how we interpret the world. There are several key areas within metaphysics. The most crucial is ontology, which is the study existence itself. What type of thing exists? Another area is cosmology, the study of the universe as an ordered whole, and finally, natural theology, which is the study of God through reason and experience rather than through religious texts. For example, if we study time, we are asking, is time a real entity that flows, or it is merely a way for us to measure change? Now let's move on to the second part. Uh, why is the above the picture accepted metaphysics for some individuals? Okay, so this image is a powerful display of deep-seated metaphysical belief. The ritual of burial is not just a practical matter, it is a profound philosophical act. This metaphysics is accepted by individuals for several interconnected reasons that address our fundamental human condition. Okay, firstly, the belief in non-physical existence, soul, or spirit. The ritual is only performed because there is a core belief that a human being is more than just physical body. There is an element, soul, or spirit that has deeper. If reality was purely materialistic, the person would simply be a biological machine that has thought, and such elaborate mourning and ritual would be unnecessary. This belief provides hope for continuity and eternal life, which is a powerful physiological and emotional comfort. Secondly, it provides cosmic order and meaning. Religious rituals, which often accompany burial, are connected to the belief in a higher power or God. The accepted metaphysics places the painful event of death into a larger, meaningful cosmic framework. It implies that death is a transition and not an absolute end. This belief gives individual a sense of purpose and structure in a chaotic world, answering the ultimate essential question: why are we here? Where do we go? Thirdly, it offers social and psychological support. A shared metaphysical belief system unites a community. Performing the ritual collectively helps manage the immense grief and anxiety associated with morality. The accepted belief system that the disease is going to a better place or will be judged, the accepted the provide a practical framework for coping and maintaining social cohesion. It is therefore a highly functional, logical, and emotionally satisfying answer to the greatest mystery of human existence. Move beyond the surface reason and look at deep metaphysical concept. that make this ritual possible and widely accepted. The 3 points we just discussed, non-physical existence, cosmic order, and social support, are rooted in specific metaphysical stance. The belief in soul or spirit as its core and acceptance of substance dualism. This philosophical position asserts that reality consists of two fundamentally different kinds of substance: the physical, the body, which is subject to decay and occupies space, and the non-physical, the mind or soul, which thinks and is non-spatial. When people gather for a burial, they are acting based on the dualist belief that the physical substance is returning to the earth, but the true identity, the non-physical substance, persists. This concept solves the ultimate problem of identity and persistence. Metaphysics as what makes you over time. The ritual demonstrates that for this community, identity is not defined by decaying body, but by the enduring immaterial essence. This ritual is a public physical affirmation of this belief in immaterial persistence. The idea of cosmic order is inseparable from the metaphysical concept of causality. If everything were truly random, the universe would be chaotic, and ritual would have no power. The acceptance of this metaphysics implies a belief in strict causality that all affects, including death and the afterlife transition, are governed by necessary predictable laws, often established by a first cause. Furthermore, this order is theological, meaning it has a purpose. The grief, the ceremony, and the prayers are performed because the participants believe the deceased is moving toward a goal. This belief in a purpose-driven cosmos provides the emotional and rational stability needed to cope with pain of death. This foundational belief system then dictates the metaphysics of value, also known as axiology, because the soul is immortal and subject to cosmic law. The value of human life becomes transcendent rather than merely biological. The solemnity of ritual infers that this life had an eternal, non-physical significance. The high honor paid to the deceased passing in a public commitment, the ethical system derived from their shared metaphysics. In closing, metaphysics is not just theoretical, it is the operating system of human life. The image of the burial ritual perfectly illustrates how our most abstract belief, substance, identity, causality, and purposes are manifest in our most concrete action. The ritual is powerful, communal declaration of a metaphysical truth that the true reality of the person persists beyond the physical appearance of death, giving meaning and order to existence. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. I hope this deep dive into metaphysics. I look forward to your thoughts and decision.